is my third trade order. Two of them have been duds. I think what I've really learned, number one, is you need to tell them exactly what it is you want for what you love about your cup of coffee. You can't go with anything else than, yeah, I will drink it like this, I will drink it like this. No, tell them only what you love in your coffee. That's the most important thing. That's what you got to tell them. So I contacted support, which I forget, Karen or somebody, and I told them, look, I had a couple of duds. I don't want to have dark roasts, which I'm hoping this isn't going to be a dark roasts, but I've been interested in Intelligentsia coffee for a long time. Fun fact, Intelligentsia comes from Italian. It was a really old Italian, whatchamacallit, an Italian political party. That's it. Sweet and tart, small batches, highest quality, forces an energetic cup, packs a punch of dynamic candy, sweet layered flavor. Alright, well, how does it smell? Do I have a roasted date? Oh yeah, by the way, Intelligentsia took a week to get my coffee to me. Best by the 3rd of November. We don't get a born on date. I don't like that. That's not cool.
Luke, get off your boat.
Chicago and LA. This one did come from Chicago, which I think they do most of their roasting for my area in Chicago. Oh, that looks good. That looks really nice, actually. All right, good. Tres Santos, single origin, roasted 8/5/19. All right. So I didn't see this. It says cola, lime, and orange. So otherwise we also have 3 farm lot, small holder, Julia o Porapa in Colombia. Pre-soak the filter. That first drink. I did let it cool a little bit, So hopefully I can check out these cola notes in lime and orange. Well, let's give this another taste. Yeah, I guess I can see the lime. I can taste that lime. So this is my cold brew that I made. And I'm actually using it to have a contrast between the two and to hopefully bring out more flavors in this. Little something I learned from a cupping. So, in that case, I think that's pretty smooth. I like it when I do those two things together, when I try one and then try this one. So, pretty interesting. Yeah, I see the complexities that way. That is a good way to find out more complexities in the coffee that you're trying to enjoy. But overall, this is not a cup to, I don't really think, enjoy. It's not really a cup that you would enjoy just black. It's not that it's too traditional like the other flat ones have been. It's just there's not enough dynamics. There's not enough punchy notes. Not acidic enough. That's probably my biggest problem, is I like acidic coffee. This might just be too mild or something. I don't know. Well, it's growing on me. Maybe this is one of those cups of coffee that you end up liking after a little while. Alright, well, I'll see if I actually like this cup better and if I can redeem with cream. Look at those swirls. I think that actually does. That's very redeeming. To add the cream, it's a good partner. I think that really brings out the cola notes now, actually. That's interesting. Good stuff. I dig it. Thank you, Intelligentsia.